You give someone your word, and you keep it. You set expectations only to exceed them. You design your work to outlast, and you demand that your tools outperform. But not everyone cares about these things like we do. That's what makes us the best. With the most comprehensive 3-year warranty program in the industry, which includes wear and tear, 2-day standard repair turnaround time, and a 1-month money-back guarantee, you can focus on what matters. We'll take care of the rest. With additional 10-year parts availability, dedicated service hotline, and a library of instructional videos, your tools will outlast, so you can outperform. Festool, making the world's best power tools since 1925. We do our best work so you can do yours. That's Festool service.